Mastering the art of overhead welding. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of overhead welding. Whether you're a budding welder or just curious about this industrial process, this video will help you understand what overhead welding is all about. Let's dive into the sparks and skills of this unique welding position. Before we tackle overhead welding, it's important to understand what welding is. In simple terms, welding is a process of joining two materials, usually metals, by melting them together. The molten materials, upon cooling, form a strong joint. Welding is a critical process in industries like construction, automotive, and aerospace. Overhead welding is one of the most challenging welding positions. It's called overhead because the welder works with the welding arc above their head. Imagine attaching a metal plate to a ceiling. That's overhead welding. This position requires great skill because the welder fights gravity, keeping the molten metal from dripping down. Overhead welding presents unique challenges. The risk of molten metal dripping and the difficulty in controlling the weld pool are significant concerns. However, with the right techniques, welders can master this position. Some tips include: maintain a steady hand. Keeping a consistent speed and motion is key. Control heat settings. Too much heat can cause the metal to drip excessively. Use appropriate safety gear. Overhead welding can be dangerous, so proper helmets, gloves, and protective clothing are essential. You might wonder, why bother with such a challenging position? Overhead welding is crucial in many structures like bridges, buildings, and ships. It allows welders to create strong joints in places that can't be easily accessed or turned around. Mastering overhead welding means being capable of tackling a wide range of industrial projects. Thank you for joining us to learn about overhead welding. It's a complex, challenging, but incredibly rewarding skill in the welding industry. Whether you're planning to become a professional welder or just expanding your knowledge, understanding overhead welding is a step forward in the world of industrial crafts. Keep practicing and stay safe.